Hey, welcome Power to Weight Athletes. Today is week number 13, workout number 1. And we're going to do a quick HIIT session, 5 exercises, 3 sets, 30 seconds on, 10 seconds off. Each set will build on the previous one. I recommend using some dumbbells for a little extra resistance. Let's get this one going. Let's get moving after the intro. Alright, let's get going, a little warm up. Some high knees with a little bounce today if you can. Let's move as much as we can. We'll warm up for about 90 seconds or so, then get going right away. A little bit bounce to your step. Nice and easy. This entire workout is about 17 minutes long, including the warm up and the cool down. It's a nice quick session today. Up. I got some weights and some water. And let's go. Start moving. 2, 1, 2, 1. Move with me. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Keep it going. Keep it going. Keep it going. Keep it going. Move it to the back. 2. Kick. 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 We'll get going in 20 seconds. Kick. A little bit of a warm up. Alright. Get going 10 seconds right here, guys. I got my 10-pound weights and I'm going to go to a lunge and curl. So, 3, 2, 1, weights up, lunge, curl. Remember, this is 30 seconds. Lunge, curl, lunge, curl. Keep it up, curl, curl, lunge. Keep it up. It's a HIIT workout, so I'm trying to get as many repetitions as we can, but we're also trying to stay under control, nothing wild. 3, 2, last one. We got a 10-second rest. With one weight down, we're going to go to a goblet squat. So grab your dumbbell with both hands in front of you. 2, 1, down and up. Down, and look at me. Try to keep them back as vertical as possible and go down as deep as you can. 10 seconds. Keep it up. 5, 3, 2, 1. All right. Going to some push-ups. I'm going to do on my dumbbell, so they're elevated push-ups, and try to get the chest all the way down to the ground if you can. If you're not using dumbbells, just do a regular push-up. If that one is too hard, just do them on your knees or against the wall. On the ground, put the weight in front of you. I'm going to do a little bit of core work. 2, 1, 2. This is the easy version. Get those legs up over that dumbbell, or whatever you're using. This will get more difficult as we progress through the second and third set. Get it up under a dumbbell. 1, 2, 1 leg at a time. 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1 second. All right, 1 dumbbell. I'm gonna lunge, then bring the weight over underneath. Ready? Lunge, and up. Lunge with the other leg, and up. Lunge, and under. Lunge, and under. Lunge, weight under. The other leg. Weight under. Come on. Bring it up. Doing what I'm doing. See what it looks like from the side. 3 seconds, 2 seconds, last one. All right, guys, pause the video for 2 minutes, come back in 2 minutes, we'll go through round 2. We get going in about 10 seconds. We're going to do the lunge and over shoulder press. Alright, so weights up. Just starting either this way or this way. Lunge, press, and back. Lunge, press, and hold. Lunge, press, back. Up, up, down, up, and back. Down, up, 15 seconds left, and back. Down, up, and back. Down, up, back. Hold it under control. Up, back. 3 seconds. 1. Let's do one more. Up and back. Alright, we're going to do a doublet squat, just like we did before. This way you're going to press the weight over your head as you come up. Ready? 2, 1. Let's go. Down and up. Down and over your head. Down. Bring it up. Down. Bring it up. Work with me. Bring it up. Bring it up. Halfway done. Come on. Whew. Let's go. Let's go. 10. 5 seconds. Work with me. 3, 2, 1. Last one. Nice job. All right, now we're going to do a push-up. Work a little bit of the core. Push up and raise. Follow me. 2, 1, and let's go. Push up, raise. Push up, work that core. Down, up, down, and up. Down, and up. Halfway done. And up. Down. If you're not using weights on this, they're too difficult, it's okay. And up, down, up. Last one. Down and up. Stay on the ground. This time we're going to try to balance the dumbbell if it balances for you. And we're going to bring, whoop. There you go. One leg at a time still. Well, mine fell. You guys know what to do. Bring that leg up higher. Higher. Over the dumbbell. Up, 7 seconds. High legs. 3, 2, 1. And we're done. We're going back to the lunge. Lunge unders, as I'm going to call them from now on. This time we bring the weight a little higher up. So lunge. under, bring the weight higher, and back. Lunge, under, weight higher, and back. Lunge, under, and back. Lunge, under, and back. Lunge, under, and back. Lunge, under, and back. On the side, lunge, under, back. Lunge, under, back. Work with me, and back. 2 seconds, 1 second, and we're done. Alright guys, welcome back. Hope you're having fun, as much fun as I'm having. We're going to lunge, curl, into a press. That's going to be our next exercise. We're starting in about 10 seconds or so. Let's get this one done. We got 5 more exercises. They're 2-minute cool down walk, so we're almost done. We're almost there. In 3, 2, 1, lunge, curl, press, down and reverse. Lunge, curl, press. Nice and control. Curl, press. Lunge, hold it, up, down, and back. Curl, up, down, back. Curl, up, down, and back. Curl, last 1, 2, 1, and we're done. Alright, let's go to our goblet squat. We're going to press overhead and then do a tricep press. Ready? 2, 1, let's go. Up, down, down, and up. Oh, do something to add. 2, up. All the way up. Press. All the way up. Press. Up. Tricep down. Explode up. Down. Last 1. Up. And down. Nice. Now we're going to go to a push up to a side plank hold. This is once again too difficult with weights. By all means, don't use them. Alright. Good. Position. Push up. And hold. Push up. And other side. Push up. And up. Down. All the way. Down. 10 seconds left. And up. Down. This is a pretty advanced move. 3, 2, let's do one more. And up. Let's add up. Little dumbbell failure on this one. I got something that can stand. So this set, we're going both feet over, guys. This is how we worked up to this. 2. Squeeze. 20 seconds. Let's go. Squeeze. 15 seconds. Halfway down. Bring it over. Go. Go. 10. Come on. Let's go. Woo. 5. We got a few more reps left. 3. 2. All right. Put this away. And we are going to lunge and unders. Guys know what to do. Lunge. This one, bring it all the way over the top and back. All the way over the top and back. Lunge, high up and back. Lunge, high up and back. Lunge, big circle and back. Lunge, big circle and back. Lunge, big circle and back. Lunge. Get that weight up there and back. Alright, well that concludes the main part of our workout. And we did our 2-minute cool down. So let's start marching. Grab some water with me. We have 2 minutes. Let's keep moving, let's keep moving. I'm still trying to come down. That last exercise, the last set was tough. Put this down now. I'm marching with you guys. Today's workout was pretty short, pretty intense. Kind of what we want to see sometimes. Break things up, break up the monotony a little bit. It's always fun, keeps it interesting. Excuse me, this is really loud. My shoes are really sticky to the mat today for some reason. Might come off on the microphone, again might not. But again, good short 17-minute workout. I think 17 minutes and 20 seconds with the warm up and the cool down and the breaks and all the other jazz. So not bad at all. This is gonna be Monday workout. This is week number 13. Workout number 1 of our Say Goodbye to Overweight program. We have 20 weeks, remember, so we still have a ways to go, guys. As always, try to do the best you can to keep your nutrition clean. As clean as you can. By now you should be used to it. If you've been following all along, it shouldn't be so bad. We have 45 seconds left, so keep marching with me. Not completely cool down yet. We're just slowing down maybe just a little bit. About 30 seconds left or so, guys. Thanks again for joining me. Once again, don't forget to subscribe. I didn't tell you that at the beginning. I forgot, but if you do, subscribe, hit the bell, give me a thumbs up, and come and join me. Mondays and Thursdays, every week. I've been doing this since last October. I'm pretty good for you, but it's going to come along and it's been fun because I know I'm going along to help people out. That's kind of what matters to me. So anyway, thanks for joining me. We have 5 seconds left. We shake it out a little bit. Slow it down. 3, 2, 1. Thanks for joining me, guys, on another power weight training workout. I'll see you guys during the next one and next week.